Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to change profile picture in MooMoo application. To change the profile picture on your MooMoo app, launch the MooMoo app open on your device and log in if necessary. Once you're inside the home page, tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Me menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now once you're inside the Settings tab, click on MooMoo account. On the next page, tap on Profile Picture. You can now go ahead and create an avatar for yourself by choosing Create Avatar option. Take a photo from your device's camera roll, select a picture from your existing album, etc. To choose your own photo from your device, tap on Select from Album and then allow access for MooMoo to access your photo library and select a picture you'd like to use as your profile picture. Adjust the picture within the frame and tap on Done at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to upload the new profile picture. You'll also get 20 points for uploading your profile picture or having a fresh look. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.